No UV. UV. Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is Steve with Black Fly. Let's tie. The vise, I've got a little size 14. And I'm just going to put down a little copper base here. Catching wraps. Okay, so I've got just a little bit of orange dubbing here. And I don't want too much. This is just going to be a tiny little hot spot. I just really have a lot of confidence in bugs that have hot spots. You know, I get comments, people saying, well, hot spots look unnatural. Well, that's true, but at the same time, I just feel like they grab the trout's attention. It's just that one little tiny spot can make the difference between a fish eating and not. Orange there. The tie-in is I've got some Semperfly, dry fly, poly yarn, and so we're just gonna grab this and tie that back into the bend just above that hot spot there. Next I've got this rooster saddle. Got one feather here. I'm gonna strip some of these longer fibers off the stem. And I'm just gonna grab that. Pull that back. Yeah guys, let me know what you would like to see, what you prefer. And I'm just gonna give this a little bit of a, just dress it just a little bit to kind of even it out so I don't have such a bump right there. It's not like it's really gonna be seen. And I'll fast forward through this part for you guys. You're going to grab our dry fly poly to wrap this to get just behind the eye of that hook. We will capture that. Get a couple wraps in front. Trim that. And next we're going to grab our lubricant. Shake that up. Coat. Okay, so as you can see, I stripped one side of the feather. And it just ties in a little cleaner. And we're just going to use the rotary on the vise. I try so hard to do these without too many cuts because it takes 14 bazillion years to edit. And okay, so then I'm going to preen these back here. Let's take and trim this. Preen these fibers down. Got a black marker. I'm just going to dye this thread. Give this a 3-turn whip finish. It looks terrible, but you guys hang in there. I got something else planned here. To trim these off the top here. Okay, I've got some UV resin in the thick. Hit it with the UV light. And then give it another coat here. I want this thing to have like a hump back. There we go. I'm gonna trim these. Alright, let's take a look at it in my hand. See how small it is. Just a little unweighted UV Scud. No UV. UV.